Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss another topic, images and background. This is very interesting topic. It tells us how you can add an image in your HTML document. There is another tag, we will discuss it. In a web page, the topic is on page number 107, right? In a web page, images are added with img. Img stands for image tag in HTML. The image tag is an empty tag, but it contains attributes of an image. For example, the src means source attribute specifies the URL web address of the image, and the syntax is this: image src is equal to URL. Now it is an empty tag, right? But it contains attributes of an image, means it can add different properties. We can add different properties of this tag to get the best results. For example, the src means where the source is. So here you will, after image, give some space, then write src, and then you can give the path of that image. And the closing tag is not required for this image tag, right? This is an image tag and we do not have /image tag to close this image. That is not required. Adding an images can improve the design and appearance of a web page. In HTML, images are added with img tag. I have already told you here. The attributes width and height, these are the two attributes which tells us how much big or wide your image will be. These both can specify the width and height of the image respectively. The border attribute can use to specify the border size around the image. The alt attribute provides an alternative text for an image. Suppose there is an image, but due to some reason the image was not displayed, so alt attribute tags tells us that if image is not displayed, an alternative text will be displayed in place of that image. Now I will show you. Here all this coding I have typed, not all this, I have typed according to my own. So you can see this coding here. I have written HTML tag, alright. Then body tag is there. Then I have given heading images, image src means the source where that image is. There is an image in the same file, in the same location where this file is saved, the image file, the notepad file is saved in a document. So I have saved this in a document as well. Laptop.jpg, this is the extension, and these two you will write in inverted commas. Then give some space and the border, tell the border size of this is, I have written in inverted commas, this is 2, and then width 200 in inverted commas, height again in 200, and close the tag, right? There is no closing tag for image, all right. Now, and I have closed this body tag. We will see the output of this. Refresh. This is the output of it, right? Now I want to make this border slightly big, so I can change the number from here. This border is 2, I will make it to 20. Save the file and refresh this file. See, can you see the border is now so much thick? It's too much thick. If I click on it and I make it 15, I think it will be much better. Save the file and then refresh this file. This is okay. Can you see this? Now the other topic on the next page 108, is applying background and foreground color to a web page. How we can do this? The bg attribute of a body tag which this is the attribute of body tag. The body tag specifies the background color of a document, and the text attribute specifies the foreground color. Foreground color means the color of the text. Background color, the white color which we want to change, and the foreground color, whatever is written in black color, so it will be changed into a color that you will specify here. These attributes are no longer supported in HTML5. In some versions these are not supported, but body BG equal to BG color is equal to, BG means background color is equal to, here you will have to write the number of that color, but few colors it can easily, if you can write in English like red, blue, green, so it can easily take that color. And text color is red, and here I have this typed and I will show it to you. Now there is another related to images, is how to apply the background image, the background attribute of the body tag. These both are the attributes of body tag. If you remember, the image tag was another separate tag. We did not use it with the body, but these are the attributes. These are not separate tags. These both are the attributes of body tag. Body tag specifies the background color, image of a document or a web page. Now see, this is the image tag. I will not change it into, I will leave it, I have left it as it is. And H1 images, that was already written, I will not change it. So I have made changes in the body tag only. The body tag is, and the attribute is background. I have written bismillah.jpg. So what I have done, this is the jpg file in the same location where this image.html file is saved, right? And that laptop.jpg, these two files should be there in the same folder where this image file is saved, right? And here is the output of it. The background, there is written Bismillahirrahmanirrahim because I selected this one, and everything is written in black color. Now in the body tag, background color, and there was another attribute, text. If I write here text is equal to red, then save it, Ctrl S, and now see what happens if I refresh this file. See, the image is, now here I have written background color Bismillah and the text is equal to red. So here is the text with red color, the image is also written with the red color. I hope you can do it, and just very careful about typing, because whenever you are writing, you are typing any tag, so attributes spellings should be accurate, otherwise it will not work. Take care, do the work and show me the result. Thank you.